Hi loves, it's your girl Tiffany Raquel Williams. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I share faith and finance-based content. If you are passionate about your relationship with God and if you are inspired to live a purposeful, prosperous life, then you have come to the right place. Yes, I share videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. sharp. But if you want to catch me on my other social media accounts, you can visit Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn at Tiffany Raquel Williams, or Twitter, Snapchat at TRW Faith Finance. Yes, it is my hope that I'm able to add value to your life. And I want you to continue being your authentic self. Thank you so much for joining the journey. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy.